I'm going to show you guys how to install something properly. No, it's not jail to put your kids away in. Although, they do kind of look good. Nice profile. It's actually the shelves. Wire shelves. Common shelves that you see in lots of newly remodeled homes. People go out to different stores, Crate and Barrel, Home Depot, Lowe's. They buy these wire shelves and they put them up in their closet, in their pantry. And believe it or not, people just have a really hard time installing these, as simple as they are. And the other thing is that they install them wrong, or a couple months go down the road and these things are coming out of the wall. I'm sure everybody's seen those, and there's holes in the drywall and they can't support anything. As soon as you put 10 pounds on them, they're like, oh my god, these things are coming out of the wall, and someone help me, my shelves are falling out. So I'm going to show you guys the proper way to install these wire shelves. And I'm going to show you guys the type of anchors that you're going to use also, so that the shelves don't come out of the wall anymore. Like, literally, you could sit on them. Well, depends how, maybe if you're like a little short guy. But you could sit on it and the shelves won't come out. I'm going to show you guys a great way to install these things into your drywall. So strong, it'll hold all your cans of soup. And next segment, we're going to go into that.